So as a novice shooter, this was probably the best money I have spent. They helped me learn all my equipment, how to use rear bags, how to figure out dope, and for the dollar, best money I've spent so far.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Precision Rifle Network. I am Joel. So I am here in Iowa at Sure Shot Range and Gunsmithing, just north of Vinton, and I am here for a Sniper's Hide Frank Galli Precision Rifle class. So there's a block on Saturday and Sunday. Today is Sunday actually, and there's a block of instruction on Monday and Tuesday. I'm actually attending the class on Monday and Tuesday, but I came up here Saturday, Sunday just to help the guy that's organizing the class and just kind of hang out, take some pictures and video, because I thought you guys might appreciate seeing the inside workings of one of these classes so you can get a better idea of, you know, what happens and what's going on. So I'm going to give you some B-roll and maybe some interviews from students and things like that. I'll try to give you a better picture of what happens in a Frank Galli precision rifle class. So let's do that.
Point the muzzle at anything you're not willing to destroy and take full responsibility for that actions. Think of a laser coming out of the end of the muzzle. We don't want to flag anybody. If we're moving to and from the line, you can have the muzzle down, muzzle up. I'm going to be muzzle down all the time, otherwise I'm going to point at Kevin's nose, right? Come up that 10th. Okay. And then just slip it back to 0. Okay. And then slip this guy back to 0 and you're all set. Perfect. Yeah, have him pop that 10th off, Mark. That one I'm pretty sure went over. Yep, there you go, right on the line. Yeah, man. Good, right on the line. Same thing, about 3/10 right of center. Go 3/10 left, Marshall, from that hold. Good centered up. One more. So the holding your breath halfway, there is no halfway in that situation because now you're huffing and puffing, but you always have a natural respiratory pause.
Simple question. Tell me about the class.
Pretty hard.
Man, it's been an awesome experience. I'm glad to meet Frank and Mark, number one, but number two, man, they're taking me through what I need to do on my fundamentals and breaking me down and building me back up like they should.
What's been your favorite part so far?
The shooting part, man. Trigger time's the best.
Spin me on 10. I think that's 35.6. Take a look. 35.6 inches, which means 98.
Who's next?
Okay, so what's my correction?
You're 98.8, so go 99. 0.099. Nope, stand up trigger at the rear.
Does that look high?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come 2/10 down.
Marry up, pull slack out. I want you holding at the back. Guys, as soon as he gives you that hold, you should already be married up, slack out of the trigger. As soon as he gives you the hold, send it. Because 5 seconds later, it's corrupt. It's not the same hold anymore.
Go 1-2. There you go. Good centered up hit on the line. Give me another.
I sit one down at that little yellow ring.
Nice. Go to the diamond. 1-2 to center. Money.
Impact.
So left to its own devices when you get the wind right. It'll hit on its own. Where the influence comes from is us.
Yesterday was fundamentals, and they really kind of broke me down to the basics and then built me up. And then today we just continued moving on from that. We got out to 1,000 yards. Before today, the farthest I shot was 600. Yesterday we got out to 800. So these guys, they're amazing. Highly recommend this class.
I was on the edge and it wasn't near enough.
There you go. That's it.
Better when my weight's all up forward, either the weight system in the chassis or the really heavy, thick barrels, and then sinking it down and coming on the top of the scope and holding it works really well. Oh, you're going over, I bet.
There you go.
I've been to all kinds of training through the military and law enforcement, and I got to say this is one of the best, if not the best, class that I've ever been in.
Robert. Yeah. Thank you, Robert. Yeah.
We'll shake hands with everybody in the back. We'll knock all that out the door. You guys make sure you stay safe out there. Remember your safety and all that.
Thanks for coming out.
No, tell Tom everybody thanks. Tell them all I said hi, and I'll try to come by and see them.
Well, at the end of 4 days, from 2 back-to-back precision rifle courses, we sent approximately 4,500 rounds downrange, ate some great Mexican food, had steaks and a bit of whiskey, even had some pie. All in all, I would say this is some of the finest precision rifle training you can find anywhere. In addition to that, Mark and Frank did a great job of building community and relationships with all the guys. For more information on classes being offered by Frank Galli, please check out Sniper's Hide or Mile High Shooting. You can also search for Alaska Precision Rifle Training from Mark Taylor. Guys, thanks for watching Precision Rifle Network today. Tune in again soon for more great videos.